Hey guys, welcome back to Magic Gimmick tutorials, and in today's video I'll be teaching you a really easy beginner card trick. So let's get right into the performance. Alright, so first of all I'll give the deck a couple of shuffles and a few cuts. So as you can see, the deck is fully mixed up just like that, and we can continue with the trick. Okay, so first of all I'll get you to select any card out of the deck. So for instance, you pick this one, the 5 of spades. Alright, so as I riffle down the deck, I'd like you to call out stop. Stop. Okay, right here. So the card will go right in the middle of the deck, just like so. I'll even give the deck a couple of cuts, just like this. And a riffle shuffle, so. Okay, so I'd like you to pick a number between 1 and 52. So for instance, you pick 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the 20th card is your 5 of spades. So first of all, what you want to do is simply give the deck a shuffle any way you want. You can also give the deck to the spectator. They can shuffle it. It's totally up to you. I'll give the deck a couple of cuts, and you can flip the deck around and show them that they're all mixed up, and you can continue on with the trick. Okay, so you want them to select any card they want. So you spread the cards and say, alright, select one, anyone. So for instance, they pick the 4 of spades this time, and just riffle down the deck and tell them to call out stop wherever they like. Stop. Okay. They select the 4 of spades and it will go in the center. But you catch a pinky break. So I'll do that again. The 4 of spades right here. Push it in and catch a pinky break. Very simple. Okay, so once you've got your pinky break, the next step is you're just simply taking a thumb break, really, just like that. So you're holding both packets of cards with the break still there. And once you've got that, you want to simply just slightly lift up this pack, and you want to use these 3 fingers right here to slide the card to the side, and yeah, just all the way to the bottom. So I'll do that again. Simply slide it all the way to the bottom. So if you haven't seen my snappy color change tutorial, I highly recommend that I go more in depth with this move. So all that you're doing is just simply sliding it to the bottom of the deck, just like that, using your middle ring and pinky. So yeah, once you got that move done and you've controlled their card to the bottom, you can move on. Alright, so once you've got that, the final bit of the trick is simply just sliding this card just like that, and you're covering it with this hand, so you don't want your spectator to see this. So you're covering it with your hand, and you want them to select any number out of between 1 and 52. So for instance, I select 7, and what you're simply doing is just dealing the cards behind the selected card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then when it gets to the last one, you just slide their card. Simply done. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.